Welcome friend to my YouTube channel Aptitude Math Learner with new interesting question. And the question today we are having that is A and B together can do a piece of work in 24 days. If A does thrice as much work as B in a given time, find how long A alone would do this job. So here we have to find out the work of A alone. So for this we have the data in the question. It says that A and B, A plus B together can do a piece of work in 24 days. So here we know that work is inversely proportional to time. Increasing the strength of the work, you have the time reduced. So further it says that if A does thrice as much work as B in a given time, so we have A does the work that is thrice of B in a given time. So here we have two equations. So equation 1 and equation 2. So we are not having a single value. So here from the first part we take that B is equal to 1 upon 24, and this A goes this side, becomes minus A. So this we have taken to find out the work of A. So putting the value of B in equation number this. So this is, let's suppose, equation number 2. So this becomes that is A is equal to 3 and B we have found out from the first equation that is 1 upon 24 minus A. Now we put the value of B, that is 1 upon 24 minus A. So this becomes that is A is equal to 3 upon 24 minus 3A. I hope till here you have completely understood. So further solving we get that is A, and this minus 3A goes this side, becomes plus 3A is equal to 3 divided by 24. And further 4A plus 3A we get 4A is equal to 3 upon 24. So A becomes that is 3 upon 24, and this 4 goes downward and multiplied by 24. So 3 ones are and 3 eights are. So further we have got A is equal to 1 upon 8 multiplied by 4 is equal to 1 upon 32 days. So A alone can complete the work in how many days? In 32 days. So therefore A alone can do in the job in 32 days, and this is our answer. I hope you have completely understood. So thank you very much.